us the shapes. Circle, triangle, heart with grace. Square, star, and rectangle too. We clap and sing all shapes we knew. Splashy, splashy, can you find the way? A shape that's round, it rolls all day. Dive deep and swim, don't go astray. Jump up high, circle, hooray. Circle. Splashy, splashy, teaching us the shapes. Circle, triangle, heart with grace. Square, star, and rectangle too. We clap and sing all shapes we knew. Splashy swims with a splash so bright, looking for a shape with three sides tight. It points up high like a mountain's height. Kids shout wow, triangle, that's right. Triangle. Here comes a shape with four sides the same. Splashy spins around playing the game. It's strong and steady, it has a name. Square, that's the frame. Square, that's the frame. Square. A shape so sweet, filled with love and cheer. Splashy finds it near, so close and clear. It beats with joy, it's always dear. Heart, right here. Heart. Splashy swims to find a shape so bright. It shines like a sparkle in the night. 5-point sharp, twinkling in the light. Star, what a sight. Star. Star. Splashy leaps for a shape that's long and wide. Two sides short, two sides stretch side by side. It looks like a door we can't hide. Rectangle, we tried. Rectangle. Splashy, splashy, you've shown us them all. Circle, triangle, heart big and small. Square, star, and rectangle, so neat. We learn together, what a treat. Shapes! Thank you, Splashy, for all the fun today. We learned our shapes in a splashing way. We'll see you again for another play.